Welcome to TJH Prestige Sports, where we've just acquired this absolutely stunning low mileage BMW 320d M Sport Estate in the best colour, Estral Blue. It's got the rear protection glass. Have a look at the spec, it's got a lot of extras on this car. Got rear park distance control, reverse camera. Absolutely superb condition. Electric opening tailgate. Boot area is lovely condition. Got a parcel shelf there. Twin exhaust. It's the opening tailgate, so you can open it from there as well. Full leather interior. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Auto headlights, paddle shift on the gearbox being automatic. Just start the car up. Satellite navigation, it's done 61,723 miles. Satellite navigation, reverse camera, park distance control, different driving modes, cruise control, climate control, heated seats. Got full media pack with DAB. Obviously you've got Bluetooth as well and all that. Absolutely drives and looks stunning. Not many about in this colour either, Estral Blue. At DJH with full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005.